So I wanted a specific type skirt and dress to wear this fall and winter, but I didn't want to pay a lot of money for them. So I did some shopping and I thought I would show what I bought today. Hey everyone, it's Melissa. A few days ago, I filmed me walking around with some things that I had bought, some new things that I had bought. And I sat down and kind of did a narration of it. And then I got busy and didn't get a chance to do an introduction, so I'm doing that today. But I bought some skirts and I didn't want to pay much for them. And the reason is I don't think they're the most flattering on me, but I wanted them because I've seen them on several vloggers that I watch and they look really cute with them. In fact, one of them has one of the skirts that I bought and it just looks so cute on her. It doesn't suit me as well. The type of skirt is more pleated, and I bought one dress that was more A-line, and one of them had pockets, and two of them were pleated. And the reason they're not the most flattering on me is because I'm bottom heavy. I have wider hips and thighs. Now, you know, people have said before, and I did want to talk about this, that you know, they feel like that I talk down about myself, and I don't at all. I'm just stating obvious things about myself. I don't mean it in a bad way. It's the same thing to me as saying, oh, I have bluish green eyes, or, you know, my hair is dyed blonde. You know, I have bigger and wider hips. It's not a bad thing for me. I'm not ashamed of them. I'm just saying certain dresses and, you know, pants and stuff look better on me that are more fitted. And one of the dresses I bought is more fitted, and I feel like it, you know, it's more flattering on my hips and my thighs. So I'm not talking bad about myself. I'm not, you know, I really am not. I'm one that I kind of make silly comments about myself anyway. Like, you know, I don't take myself too seriously. Let me put it that way. Now, let me tell you where I shopped. Now, I got some of the stuff from Shein. Now, I say Shein because you know, when did I start? 2013. And back then, you know, back when Shein first got started, we all called it Shein. You know, we'd do hauls and stuff from Shein. Now, my granddaughters say, no, it's Shein. So, if I say Shein, so if I say it wrong, I am sorry, because my granddaughters, all 5 of them correct me and say, no, it is Shein. So, I still say Shein. So, I got some of the skirts from, and I got some of the clothes from Shein, and some of them from Amazon. And I got a pair of dress boots from Shein that I show a couple of times. I think in the video I talk about some other new shoes that I got, but I'm not going to show you those. They're, I don't know, just I didn't get them from Shein or Amazon, so you know, it would be something I guess I'd put in another video, but I did talk about them. But these I did get at Shein, and I got this little purse at Shein. I think it's so cute. It got a little clasp right here. It looks real cute over the shoulder. It's a cute, popular size. And also through it, I wear my necklaces. The initial one I got from Amazon, and the other 2 I got from Uncommon James. Now, I also show these earrings. I got them from my friend. I bought them from my friend, Rachel. She's a wonderful artistic artist and just does beautiful work. I buy quite a few earrings from her. I really like her style and everything, so I will link her Instagram. I order her stuff from Etsy. I'll kind of look on her Instagram page, and I'll go to Etsy and find, you know, of course, the corresponding pair of earrings. So I love her earrings. Okay, so those are the accessories to get started and everything. I really like everything I bought, and you know, in the fuller things I feel like a princess, you know, and some of them have pockets which, you know, add bulk to the area too, but I kind of feel like a princess, and I twirl around, and you know, I just like them, and I like wearing them. But if for some reason I feel like, oh, they just don't look right on me, I have 5 granddaughters that will just love to wear them. So I don't have to worry about them going to waste because they will get worn over and over again by some of us. And, you know, I've got a daughter and a daughter-in-law that could wear them too. So I don't feel bad about what I paid because it wasn't much, and I don't feel bad about it not being my most flattering because I'll wear them some. I might wear them a whole lot, but if I don't, somebody else will. And I kind of wanted to show it to you all that do have slimmer hips. You know, maybe you're just built different from me, so you have slimmer hips. Boy, these will look fantastic on you. They're really cute outfits, cute skirts and a cute dress, and it will look really good on you because I think it looks fine on me. Not my most flattering, but I think it looks fine. But those of you that are slimmer than I am or not as wide as I am, they would look great on you. Look great. Okay, thank you. And here we go. So I got a boat neck ruched front tee and these really new, cute, loose, wide leg pants. Got them both at Shein. There I am showing it with the purse and yeah, my new shoes, my new Mary Janes. And I just love this outfit. I love the color of the shirt. It isn't really tan. It's kind of a cooler tan, a cooler beige color. And so are the pants. They're kind of a cooler brown color. And I really like them a lot. I think it's a color that goes well with a purse and, you know, with the color black. And here it is, plain without. That little belt I have on came with a red skirt that I'm going to be showing here in a minute, a red pleated skirt. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this little outfit. I think it's cute. I can wear it, you know, all summer long. It's got ruching there on the shoulder that I'm showing you. And there's the earrings that I showed you that I didn't realize I was going to be showing you. So there's that outfit and the necklaces. And there it is again, stepping back. And this next little skirt coming up, I wore to church Sunday. And I did get compliments on it. And it looks really cute, like on this girl, because she's got slim hips. It's a drawstring waist pleated skirt. It's, you know, adds volume to my hips. I don't care. I wore it with a little black top and a different pair of Mary Janes that actually came from Shein that my granddaughters gave me, so I don't have a link for it. But you can see the little drawstring there and the little black top. And I don't know, I twirled around in it and I felt like a princess. But a lot of you might really like this. I like it on myself. It will look fantastic if my granddaughters decide to wear them, or if I give it to them. But it was really cute, you know. I really liked it a lot. I wore it with tights to church. I didn't fool with putting on tights or anything right here because I didn't want to get too hot while I was changing clothes and stuff. And here's the little burgundy pleated skirt, and it comes with the little belt that I showed earlier. And there it is on me. Again, you know, it has pockets that add width to me, but that's okay. I twirled around in it too. And so I have it on the same outfit. I have it on with the little purse and the different Mary Janes and the black little top. Yeah, I think those pockets came in real handy. Will come in real handy. I haven't worn it yet. I've tried it on, but I haven't worn it yet. But yeah, I really like it a whole lot too. Be, you know, really cute. I would wear them with tights, but you know, I don't self-tan on my legs or anything, so I'd wear them on top with tights. And then there it is without the purse. I really like it. Burgundy's a good color for the fall, you know, so there you go. And this is that slim square neck rib knit dress that I was talking about that's slimmer on me. Again, I would probably wear it with, you know, hose or tights, but yeah, it doesn't add the extra bulk to my hips and my thighs, but it's a very stretchy material. It's square. It holds its shape. Yeah, I really like it, and I've got it on with some higher heels to kind of dress it up a little bit. but it's, you know, one of those very, very comfortable skirt, one of those really comfortable dresses. And, you know, yeah, you can add accessories to it, anything like that, and it'll carry you through. And this one is a red dress neck lantern sleeve. I really like this. I can't wait to wear it. I felt good trying it on. These boots came from JCPenney, and I got them at a real good price. They come up kind of high, and they're you know, low heel. And I put a belt, a black belt with this, but yeah, it's another one that's full, but I liked it so much, and I'm real bad about twirling around in full skirts because I usually don't wear them. I usually wear straight things, you know, a little more form-fitting things, but I really like them. There it is with the little purse. And oh, and I changed into the boots, the kind of dress boots, so you could see what it looked like. You know, how high the boots come up, you could see what it looked like with a skirt that length, you know, because there's some space there. You could wear hose or, you know, just wear them with your bare legs, but I really like that dress. And then here's a little top I got at Amazon. It's just a little turtleneck sweater. It is so comfortable, and it's not itchy. I just can't take itchy things. I like the color. It's neutral. You can wear it with pretty much anything. I've just got them on with just some plain straight leg jeans right now. I tried it on with those bigger trousers that I had on that I showed you earlier, but I just feel like it's messy. A big sweater with big trousers, it looked messy to me. And you can see how it comes down in the back. It's, you know, covers things up. It's really cute. I put them on with just some little flats again. And yeah, I think it's going to be a good sweater to carry me through the winter. And here's another one I got at Amazon. It's another oversized turtleneck sweater. I wore it Sunday night to a gathering and got compliments on it. It is really cute. It's another one of those cool browns that you can wear with, you know, warmer things or with cooler things. And there I am showing it, the jeans with the dress boots that come up, and I think it's a cute look. Like I said, I tried all these sweaters with the oversized pants, and I don't like that look. I like, if you're gonna wear an oversized sweater, I like slimmer pants or jeans. But this one's a good one, and it was very comfortable, very warm, and I enjoyed it. I think it looks good with these boots too. I like it a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, when I talk about my wider hips, I'm not talking bad about myself, just stating a fact. You know, that's just the way it is, and I've always had them. But anyway, love you all. Thank you for watching. I hope today's Halloween. I got my cut pumpkins carved. My grandkids, they still came over and carved pumpkins with me. We've been doing it since they were born, and it was so neat that they still want to do it. I fixed a big thing of cider, and we just had a big time last night. We did it last night. But anyway, thank you for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Like and subscribe. It would mean everything to me. And I will see you all in a couple of days, and thanks again. Love you all. Bye-bye.